Hey guys, today we'll be talking about the ARB dual compressor and the switch kit that comes with it, or that you have to buy separately. But it's easy to mount, and so going over a quick install the best they can, and yeah, let's go.
Hey guys, I'll put a link below of a great video done by Justin B. McBride, but I really want to show you the KR off-road air coupler switch bracket for the 2021 Bronco and above.
I got this extension kit. With the kit, it comes with this bracket, this braided hose, these angles, and also this angle and this angle, and then this little. It's a different chuck, so it screws on the bottom here, so to note, and it makes it really clean. You pop on the switch, so it'll go right here in this position, and you just pick it up. It goes blue, red, and black. There you go. And so once it goes down, it'll plug in to your harness on this side, and that way there's no extra wiring, everything's clean, and we got to go set this in the compartment.
One thing to note is that when you are putting in this switch kit, to not put in the switch till the end of your tightening of the bracket. That way you have better access to all the screws, and I just wire this into the battery, and yep, it looks really clean. As you can see, the switch is out of the way, and you just nothing hits the hood, and it's a pretty clean install.
All right, guys, that wraps it up for me regarding the ARB dual compressor and the switch kit that goes with it. I think it's a great product. I was able to air up some tires and stuff like that, so that was really good, really quick. Anyway, tell me in the comments what you think about that. What you think about the dual air compressor from ARB, and if you like it mounted that way, or what mount do you like. Anyways, again, I'm not sponsored by ARB or anything like that, but I did get this from 4x4 Trucks LED, and they do support their veterans and military, so thank you for that. I appreciate that. Anyway, I hope you like this content. If you did, hit the like and subscribe button for more content to come and more adventures, and hope to see you guys soon. And I really appreciate you guys out there watching my videos and commenting and giving me the likes. It really helps out. All right, guys, until next time, mahalo and peace out.